DIY Herbal Sleep Pillow, Natural Remedies for Insomnia. Welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a natural way to improve your sleep? Today we're going to show you how to make a DIY herbal sleep pillow using simple ingredients that promote relaxation and help you sleep better. Let's get started. Introduction to Herbal Sleep Pillows. Herbal sleep pillows are small pillows filled with a mixture of dried herbs known for their calming and sleep-inducing properties. When you place these pillows near your head at night, the gentle aroma of the herbs can help you relax and fall asleep more easily. Ingredients and materials needed. Here's what you'll need to make your own herbal sleep pillow: small fabric pouch or a piece of cotton cloth, needle and thread or a sewing machine, dried lavender, dried chamomile, dried hops, dried rosemary, dried rose petals. Optional: a few drops of essential oils, lavender, chamomile, or rose. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preparing the fabric. If you're using a piece of cotton cloth, cut it into 2 equal squares, about 6 x 6 inches. Place the squares on top of each other with the right sides facing inward. Step 2. Sewing the pouch. Sew 3 sides of the fabric squares together, leaving one side open. If you're using a small fabric pouch, you can skip this step. Turn the fabric inside out so the seams are on the inside. Step 3. Mixing the herbs in a bowl. Combine the dried lavender, chamomile, hops, rosemary, and rose petals. Use equal parts of each herb, or adjust according to your preference. The combination of these herbs creates a soothing, aromatic blend that promotes relaxation and sleep. Step 4. Adding essential oils. Optional. If you'd like to enhance the scent, add a few drops of essential oils to the herb mixture. Lavender, chamomile, and rose essential oils work well. Mix the herbs and oils thoroughly. Step 5. Filling the pouch. Carefully. Fill the fabric pouch with the herb mixture. Fill it enough so that it's comfortably full but not too tight, allowing the herbs to move around a bit. Step 6. Closing the pouch. Sew the open side of the pouch closed. Make sure the stitches are secure to prevent the herbs from spilling out. If you're using a pre-made pouch, simply tie it closed. Using your herbal sleep pillow. Place your finished herbal sleep pillow near your head when you go to bed. You can put it inside your pillowcase, next to your regular pillow, or on your bedside table. The gentle aroma of the herbs will help you relax and drift off to sleep. Maintenance tips. To keep your herbal sleep pillow fresh, gently squeeze it from time to time to release more of the herbal scent. If the aroma starts to fade, you can add a few more drops of essential oils to revitalize it. Conclusion. And there you have it. A simple DIY herbal sleep pillow that can help you enjoy a more restful night's sleep. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural remedies and health tips. Sweet dreams, and we'll see you in the next video.